Why, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Xander from Fun King 3D, and you are watching Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, where did I put the model?
It's on your head, where it's been for like 3 solid weeks now.
Oh.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I've been watching this Japanese TV show called Naruto, and I decided to print out the plate for the headband. Here, let me show you.
2 very boring minutes later.
This is the Konoha Headband plate by Xavier M 2010 on Thingiverse. There will be a link to it in the description below. My mom sewed the headband and she painted the detail on the plate. This was printed on the AM8 using the most amazing 3D Fuel Pro PLA with a color of simply silver. We printed it with a 230-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. This took around 3 hours to complete the print.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
We drilled 2 holes in each of the corner indents, and that's how my mom stitched it on. Let me demonstrate the installation. Oh! Now that it's installed and back on my forehead, I want to thank 3D Fuel for sponsoring the filament for this project. And I want to thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone! So, what's the difference between an open box of stinky cheese and a Kung Fu master? One is Loose Brie and the other one is Bruce Lee. That's so bad. It's so cheesy.